romantic kiss so you can cry.
Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ladies and today we have a beautiful Boxycharm unboxing because this one is juicy. So the first thing I'm going to use didn't come with the box, but it's this one right here. This is a water setting spray and I just want to get my face hydrated before I go in with some of those products. After I have that in my face, I'm just gonna quickly get in here. And in this month, you guys, we received so many beautiful products. I'm just gonna pull the first one that I'm gonna be using, which is this Jeka Black Hydrating Primer, and it's vegan and cruelty free. Hydrate Primer intensely moisturizes and refreshes the skin, helping makeup to go long lasting. So apply all over the face using your fingertips. So we'll see. Once you get it out of the packaging, it looks like this. Comes very sealed. I'm gonna squeeze a little bit right here, and it has a nice consistency, you guys, but at the same time creamy. I don't know if you can see that. We'll try it on. It has a scent like medicine scent, but it's almost empty. Do you see that? Feels really nice, you guys. My face gets red for anything, so don't worry. It kind of gave me a very nice radiant finish to the skin. It's promising. I really like it. So the next product I'm gonna be using is this one right here. It says that it's an overnight lip mask, but we're just gonna be using it right now. It's from this brand right here. It says overnight lip mask is here to give your lips that extra smoochable edge. This miracle worker will resurface your lips, boosting hydration and leaving them soft, supple, and smelling. So we'll see. Has kind of like the same packaging that the primer had, but not from the same brand. We'll squeeze a little bit right here, and I thought it'll have a color, but it doesn't. It's very thick, like Vaseline. It even smells like it. Has a very light scent that I really don't care about. Like, it seriously doesn't bother me at all, and gave me very shiny lips, so I really enjoy that so far. So looking at my little paper right here, I have the Jeka Black Hydrator Primer right here for $20, you guys. This retails for $20 and it definitely feels good on my skin. We'll definitely see how it works with the makeup. And then we have the Aciology Overnight Lip Mask for $19, you guys. This retails for $19. So far, this is already the price of the box. So next item, you guys, is this NARS Velvet Matte Lip Pencil, and I want to open it and see what it looks like. Here's what it looks like. Very nice color. I'm glad I received a very good color because I definitely don't like reds. So that's what it looks like right there, you guys. So happy to have received this. So I'm quickly gonna jump off and put in this Pretty Fresh foundation for you guys, and I'll come back for the rest of the things. How's that? I recently hauled this foundation in one of my videos, and I said I was gonna come back and tell you guys how it would perform since I wasn't sure about the color. But trying this on top of my skin, it feels like it's nothing, like it's going like a moisturizer. Like I haven't applied anything. It doesn't cover that much, and I feel like this is gonna be the perfect thing for me to go to work with, because I kind of feel like this is the kind of product I like when I go to work. So I went ahead and used a little bit of my Essence foundation, and I'm so surprised how the colors look so similar on these two, and how they perform actually very alike. I love that. But this gave me just the tiniest bit more coverage than the other one. I'm going to be extra and put a little bit of this on this part right here, just so I glow. This also is a product that I received on my last Boxycharm, which I was so unsure on how to use, but I have found that putting it as a highlight, I really enjoy it, especially for work days, which I don't use that much product. This can definitely work as a beautiful within highlight. For today's video, I'm just going to be using this palette from Jaclyn Hill Cosmetics. I have one video already about these products. You're just going to love it. I'll list it down below. And for today, I'm just going to be using the middle shade, which is the most wearable of them all. I'm just going to grab a tiniest bit, tap the excess, and just go in with that. I like this product, you guys. So just looks so good. So our little Boxycharm also comes with this Glowdient makeup palette, and this is from the Touch and Soul line, and look how beautiful this little palette is. It's stunning, you guys. I love the colors, and these are pure highlighters. We're just going to be using a brush like this. This one is from BH Cosmetics, and I'm going to be focusing in this side right here, which is more like my skin tone. You can definitely go one by one if you want to, but I am mixing this three. You guys, I'm scared. Ooh, this highlight though. Ooh. It's so smooth and creamy. You're gonna love this. If you receive this in your Boxycharm, you're just gonna be so happy. Oh my god, it does emphasize a little bit of my texture that I have going on right here, but that's my own fault. You guys, look how wet and beautiful that looks. This retailed for $34, so I got some deals right there. And now we're gonna be using the OPB Beauty Spotlight eyeshadow palette. Here it is, the palette, you guys. I've been waiting for this moment. It is stunning, you guys. This is so innovative. The colors are just up my alley. I don't know what I want to do, because hear me out. Oh my god, I have to get you closer. What do I want to do? Look at that color right there. That's a shimmer, you guys. Look at this gold. Look at this red. Look at this color right here. Look at that blue. It's just, look at that purple, you guys. I don't know what to do. So confused on what to do, because the colors are just too much for me. I can't decide what I want to do. So I'm gonna start with this one. Can't get enough about the highlights too much. So I cut my crease and now I'm going to be using this liner just to crisp out that line because it's horrible. Now that I have that line going on, I'm just going to bring some color in that blank space right there. And I'm going to bring it up to here. So I'm just going to mark. And remember, I'm just mopping out where all the colors are just gonna go. And next, we're just gonna crisp everything even better. Now I'm just gonna fill in the space with this blue right here and try to finish with it and try to fix it. All those shimmers blend in by themselves, they don't need that much effort. But as you can see, I'm just trying to put that lighter color in the middle, and without any effort they just blend into themselves. I am getting a little bit of fallout, but that's to be expected. These shadows are foiled and beautiful. Look at that. So here's what that eye looks like. It's stunning, you guys. I'm gonna do the other one. I'm gonna put some lashes and I'll be right back. So here's me with the lashes on, and for the waterline I'm gonna be using this LA Girl pastel dream color, and we're just gonna put it in the waterline for more fun. And oh my god, I just can't get enough of this look. It looks so strange, but it's also so pretty. For the bottom lash, I'm gonna be using this Princess Lash Mascara from Essence, which is stunning and I love. Just to give a little bit definition right here, I would have gone and applied some false eyelashes for the bottom part, but I currently do not have any. For the lips, you guys, I'm just gonna be trying that pencil that came from NARS in our box, and I'm gonna line my lips. I don't know, but I do love that color. It's stunning. On top of that, I'm just gonna go in with this Maybelline gloss just to give it that extra shine. This smells so good. Now I feel like my face is washed out a little bit from the eye, so I'm just gonna keep applying. I'm gonna apply a little bit more blush. I can get away using this one, so I'll just do that. Tiny bit. The highlights still put, so now I'm just gonna spray a little bit of Morphe. Isn't that stunning, you guys? The look is complete with everything that came in the box. I love everything. I liked how the primer went in first. I don't know how much it's gonna do for my makeup, if it's gonna last more, but it's just a regular primer like hydrating kind of primer. Didn't fill up my pores or did anything magic, so I just kind of a good one. So for the lip mask, I really liked it. Once I had it in, it really moisturized my lips, and once I went in with the pencil, my lips were a little bit more plumped, and I love that. The next item that I had right here, which was it, you guys? Which was, ooh, the other item that we used today was this highlight powder, and it's truly stunning. I love the combination of colors. I love how you can just choose, and it's for everybody. I love it. And the option is what I really like, because if I want to use this on top of my blush or on top of my bronzer just for a little bit more glow, I can do that, and that gives me more options. I love this. The next item that I had, you guys, is this palette. I truly love this palette. It's amazing. The colors are stunning, you guys. I of course going to be putting a clip of me swatching this. It's gorgeous. So you guys, look at this. This look came out to be super stunning. This is something that I have never played with. It's a cut crease with halo eyes with liner, the whole shebang, the whole glam. So I loved it. And of course the lippy, it's beautiful. I love the color. It goes well with my skin tone. It does look well, and I feel like it's going to be a staple for me. Like I can use it every day and not look crazy. So I love this month box, and I will read you guys everything so you get an idea. So for the palette, the eyeshadow palette, it was $40, you guys. For the NARS Velvet Lip Matte, it was $27, you guys. The Touching Soul was $34 for this little palette right here, and the lip mask was $19, you guys, and the hydrating primer was $20. A lot, you guys. A lot of good stuff that we got this month. I love everything that I have got. Hopefully you got the same thing, if not better. So until the next video, you guys, I will see you. Bye bye.
Thank you.